Hello.
It's all about Ghanaian languages. It's all about Ghanaian languages. It's all about Ghanaian languages.
Hi everyone, and welcome to this channel. And today we shall be looking at how to say like this and like that in the Dangme language. We've looked at this previously in the Ga, and I would like to give you a simple example on how this is done. So first of all, like this, how do you say it in Dangme? That is Kikɛ. And how do you say like that? Like that's also said as Ja. Okay, so let me give you some simple example. Kikɛ ji bone apiole ha. Kikɛ ji bone apiole ha. This is how it is done. Jaji bone apiole ha. That is how it is done. Kikɛ blono omagu. This way you will tread on. Jan blono nomagu. That way you will tread on. So you see. So first of all, I would like to say, note this Kikɛ and Ja, like this and like that. In some instances, Kikɛ can also mean this. In some instances, Ja can also mean that. So let's go out. Let's get some more examples from other people. Then come back and then we see how it all went.
Apiole Kikɛ. Apiole Ja.
Ayole Kikɛ. Ayole Ja.
Kikɔ isani yoni. Kaja isani. Ja isani yoni.
Kikɛ Sani. Ja Sani.
Kikɛ jive. Ja jive.
Chapi Kikɛ. Chapi Jan.
Moi pele Kikɛ. Moi pele Ja.
Ake Kikɛ. Ake Jan.
Bale Kikɛ. Bale Ja.
So I hope you've learned something new. If you have any questions, do want to drop your questions in the comment box below. If you have any suggestions, it's welcome. Without much we say, thank you very much. Nyechumio.
Go.